Okay, I'm going to try this one more time. I had to return the other keyboard because it didn't have the mouse pad, and this one has a mouse pad, so it really, you can turn your iPad, your 2015 iPad, into, it says, an ultra portable laptop with the mouse pad. So here goes. I returned the other one, and this should be my last video on this. So again, it's in pink, and it comes with instructions. And this one, see, I'll show you, it has a mouse pad. Charger, here's the charger again. And this is what I needed that I didn't have before. And keys are the same. It's a different brand. It's by Harvopu, Harvopu. And let's see how this one works. This is nice. It has a little covering. This peels off, but I'm going to leave that on for now. Looks like the same setup as the other one. This one's supposed to have 7 different backlight colors, which I really, again, I'm not really interested in. But so again, now I know how it's set up. You got to find this and put it here. This slides in. This should be the same exact tight fit as the other, which it is. Fits in really snug. My pencil fits in right here, and it has the backing that you just pop. It pops out easy because of that little slit here. And so far, so good. Okay, now I'm gonna prop it up like this. It's going to be a mini laptop. It's longer because of it's got the pad, so it makes it longer. So now this is on the farthest setting, and it actually still fits all within this case, and you can still adjust it. And it's magnetic. You see how it really doesn't go anywhere. It's magnetic. You can move this down and adjust this to three different adjustment points. And then this is just going to give you like it's going to hang off a little bit if it's this low. But I don't know. I'll figure it out which one is the best later. Let me see if I can get this to go on. Okay, I just turned, there's a little button here you just turn on. The lights went on. That's a good sign. And I think I just need to connect it like I did before. And it's searching for other devices. You just go to Bluetooth in your settings, and it will search for this keyboard. I wanted to update you on how I connected my keyboard to the Bluetooth and the iPad. And what I needed to do was hold FN and connect for 3 seconds, like that. And then it will find this keyboard, and then you just hit connect. And my issue was that I didn't know there was a C connect tab here, and I was using this F and control. I thought it was control, and I was pressing this and it wasn't connecting. So that's why it took me a while, but I ended up, it worked. And let me show you another cool feature. Oh, the other thing is that this space bar gave me some issues when I was typing and just testing it out. It wouldn't move a space over when I would hit it when I was typing fast. And what I found out is I just had to like tap this a bunch of times, and maybe there was something under it, or maybe it just had to loosen up or something. But now it works okay. It works fine. And The other cool feature is I want to show you is these lights. Okay, check this out. Can you see this? Let me turn off the lights. This will make it really obvious. Okay, so it goes red, blue, yellow, purple, white, dark blue, green, and then red again. And then not only does it go all those colors, but you have low, medium, and high in all of those colors. Off, low, medium, high. Off, low, medium, high. I mean, how cool is that? Off, low, medium, high. What's your favorite color? You know, it looks different on the screen on the iPhone than it does on here, like right there. I think this looks super cool on the phone, but on here it looks red, and I'm not sure I like it. But there you go. Hope you that helped make your decision. Okay, bye.